What is up, everyone? So this video is a quick first impression of custom-made PopSockets. So I bought my brand new iPhone 12 Pro Max, and this phone is gigantic. I can barely hold it with one hand, and with the case it's even bigger. And I always have the fear of, having the phone falling off from my hand with just one hand. Also, it's extremely hard to operate with just one hand. And then I saw my coworkers was using this little like PopSocket thing, and I went online and I just ordered a custom-made PopSocket and put a picture of something fun on it and custom made it. It's actually very affordable, $15 for a custom-made PopSocket. I ordered two, one for my wife's phone and one for myself. So let's open up the package. This is directly from them, shipped from Boulder, Colorado. And here's my iPhone 12. I am gonna go ahead and clean the back of the surface of my case really nice with alcohol, so there's no grease on the surface. So when I install the PopSocket, it should stay there for a long time, nice and secure. All right, I got my phone very nicely cleaned. So next, let's open up the package. Right here, it's kind of fun. So I've made two of the same. It's a picture of our favorite cat in the house, Benjamin. And so I think they actually did an excellent job on getting an accurate printout of the pictures that I've selected. So it looks just like what I previewed when I tried to order it on their website. And I chose different color palettes for my wife's phone and my own phone. So let's see. It looks like I can just probably peel this part off and stick it on my phone, and it should be ready to go. I am just gonna peel this off and try to put it on the phone, and I'm gonna try to center it the best I can on the Apple logo, like so. Somewhere there. Okay, peel it off. So this is like a sticky, very sticky tape on the back. I think if you need to remove it, all you have to do is just use your hair dryer and kind of like blow on the case, and it should fall off fairly easily. Let's see. So again, I'm gonna try to align and just put it as centered as possible. Like so. And I think if you twist it, it actually turns itself off for some reason. Oh, yeah. So again, this is my first time. It's a plastic tab. So if you align the tab and you just push it in here and twist, it actually locks into place. And that's when it's like really secure. And you can pull it out and put your finger here, and it should be able to hold the phone just perfectly nice. And yeah, looks great. And let's see if it can hold the screen. Oh wow, this is kind of fun. Like, I always wanted something on the back of the case that can actually put the phone like this. So when I'm like on my lunch break, I want to watch something quick, it's able to do that. And this thing is actually able to do that perfectly nicely, perfectly fine. So with my custom one, I have a white colored, I guess the foamy stuff, a black part of the pad, and for my wife's, now I know it's really easy to take it out. I got her very pinky stuff. So this is like purple colored backing with a pink foamy stuff, or like, the spongy stuff, and of course the exact same back as me. I really like a lot. It actually works great and feels good in the hand as well. If I pop it out, I don't think I'm gonna have the fear of having the phone falling off on my hand. It actually holds very nice, very nice and strong. No way of falling off the hands. And also the other additional feature is as a stand. So works great. No complaints. And this should sum up the quick unboxing of personalized PopSockets. If you ask me if it's worth $15, I think for an added personal touch, absolutely. Very functional to prevent your phone from falling off, as well as working as an extra stand for when you need to watch a video on the desk. Very nice. So if you guys have any questions about the PopSockets, customized ones, feel free to ask me in the comment section down below. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please do hit the like button or subscribe, and I would highly appreciate it. Thanks again, and see you in the next video.